And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Viber keep stopping problem. So basically what this problem is, like whenever you try to open Viber, then it's gonna say Viber isn't responding, wait or report. So this is basically what this error does. So to fix this problem, first make sure your internet connection is stable, because sometimes this problem arises if your internet connection is slow or unstable. And the other thing is, make sure your Viber is up to date. So for that, go to your Play Store and check if your Viber is up to date. As you guys can see, my Viber is up to date since there's an open button. If there was an update button over here instead of open button, that means my Viber is not up to date and I need to update my Viber. So make sure your Viber is up to date, because sometimes Viber won't open until you update the Viber to like the latest version. So make sure your Viber is up to date as well. And the other thing you can do is hold on the Viber icon and then click on app info over here. Now it's basically going to take you to Viber setting of your phone. And over here you can click on storage usage. And on storage usage, click on clear data and then click on clear. This is basically going to clear all the cache and data stored in the Viber and reset your Viber. So basically, once you do that, you need to relog into your Viber. It's basically like gonna log you out of your Viber and then reset all the setting. So when you open Viber again, you need to relog into your Viber after doing this. And after doing this, click on permissions. Make sure all your permission over here is turned on. And after doing that, you can click on data usage status over here. And when you come over here, click on network permission and make sure like Wi-Fi and mobile data is selected. If it is selected and Wi-Fi or closed, then just reselect it to Wi-Fi and mobile data. After doing this, try to enter your Viber again. Your problem should be solved. And if it is still not solved, then just delete your Viber and reinstall your Viber. And after deleting and reinstalling your Viber, restart your phone once and open Viber. This should fix it.